Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm gonna fix my parents' LG refrigerator. They claim that every time they use the water just falls out the bottom. So I kind of took a quick look over here, and let's see. Let's try to show you. See this little hose right here? This little hose. So it has a crack. See it? It's a crack right there. So I need to replace that. Okay, so you got a couple of screws here you need to take off with a Phillips. So there's one here, and there's another one here. So let's take those off. Alright. This whole thing comes out. And now you can see I have better access to this where this hose goes. So this hose, he has the water turned off by the sink. Alright guys, so just pull this back. Take this apart. Alright guys, so the way you take this off, there's a little C-clip over here, just comes right off. And then you press this part in and pull it. Okay, that's the way you do it. Now this piece comes off. Alright guys, so I got one of these unions from Home Depot. I'm just gonna put them in like this, but before we do this, just gotta cut this straight. And I'm just using a regular knife. Okay, so you got a nice union there. So all we're gonna do is put this in there like this. Okay. And put it all the way in. And then the other part is gonna go straight in the other part. Right. And we're just gonna shove this back in here. Like that. Get it in there. Get it in as far as you can. Alright. And when you're done, I'm just gonna shove this back in here. Okay. Alright guys, let me just put the clip on. That's it, and that keeps it from going in and taking off. Put it back in here. There you go. Ah, look at that. And before, water wasn't coming out of there. It was just dripping out of here. You can see nothing's leaking. Goes in here. Put a couple of screws. Okay, so if you have an LG refrigerator and you press the water and it doesn't come out of here, but it flows out of the bottom, now you know what to do. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.